Hello, my name is Juan. I want to introduce you to my beautiful family. She's my wife Lina. She's a beautiful chief. She likes to go to the movies after work. She is 39 years old and comes from Venezuela. I like her brown eyes and the straightness of her hair. She's thin and not very tall. She practices yoga and is always smiling. They are his parents. They live in Colombia, but they are Venezuelan. Her father's name is Tom and her mother's name is Mary. He's a doctor and she's a teacher. He's 60 years old and she's 58 years old. They are very happy and kind to everyone. This is his this is his brother Alex with his wife Daniela. They have two children, Roberto and Matias. They live in Paraguay. He is Venezuelan, she is Panamanian, and their children are Paraguayan. He is 25 years old and she is 24 years old. They are very romantic. He's an engineer and she is a medical student. They are Matias and Roberto, sons of Alex and Daniela. Roberto is 4 years old and she is chubby, and Matias is 3 years old and he is very intelligent. This is Jorge Lina's brother. They are 32 years old and he is single. He lives with his parents in Colombia and is also Venezuelan. He works in a hospital. He's a doctor. He likes to have short hair and has light green eyes. He enjoys exercising and is athletic. They are my wife's family. They are very close and like to visit each other for meals or to celebrate birthdays. These are my parents, Lucas and Rosa. He's lawyer and is 63 years old. She doesn't work. She is 61 years old. They have been married for 38 years old, are very happy and like to travel. He is Greek and she is German. They live in Spain. They have three children, Laura, Esteban, and me. My mother likes to cook for my father, and he enjoys her food. This is my sister Laura, and this is her husband Andres. She is 47 years old, and he is 45 years old. They are both literature teachers. They live in Spain, are Spanish. They enjoy visiting places all over the world. They are very calm. They are both very tall. She has curly hair. They both wear glasses. David is one Laura and Andres' sons. He's an architecture student and is very serious and reserved. He likes to stay home reading a book. He is 20 years old and very good at playing chess. He's tall, thin, and he's wavy hair. He's very happy. This is Cecilia, David's sister and the daughter of Laura and Andres. She is 18 years old and dancer. She likes going off with her friends. She has long, wavy hair. She likes to paint and travel her family. She also likes to play basketball. This is my brother Esteban with his girlfriend Carla. They are very young. He is 23 years old and she is 21 years old. They both study tourism in Spain. She is French and he is Spanish. They meet at school. They like to go to Paris, even though she is jealous. They have two plans to get married at the moment. This is my son Chris. He is 10 years old. He likes to play soccer and swim. He is very intelligent and also gets angry easily. He has brown eyes and brown hair. His feet are brown. He is short and he is a playful. This is my daughter Amaya. She is 7 years old and she is very mischievous. She likes to paint. She cooks with her mom and plays soccer with her brother. She also likes to dance. She's small and has long hair. She doesn't like to comb it. My name is Juan. I'm 43 years old. I'm Spanish, as are my children. We live in Argentina. We like to go to the movie and visit the beach. I am an engineer and I like to be with my family.